Friends, hello everyone. Welcome to this channel. And in today's video, I will show you how you can unsubscribe all at once on Facebook. Friends, please subscribe to this channel. Be sure to put your likes, and also don't forget to write comments after watching the video. So, let's get into this topic. And open up Facebook, please. Next, in the bottom right corner, go to the menu section. And then at the top, click on the gear to go to Settings and Privacy. Here, you'll need to scroll down a little bit and find the News Feed option. Click on it. Next, select Unsubscribe. This will take you to a list of all the people you are subscribed to, and you can easily unsubscribe from them just by clicking on Unsubscribe next to each person. And it will take some time, of course, if you have a lot of subscribers. But once you've unsubscribed from everyone here, you go through the list. That's how you can unsubscribe. Friends, this is the simple way you can easily unsubscribe from all the people on Facebook at once. I hope this video has been helpful and useful for you. Please, friends, put your likes, write comments, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel. See you soon.